guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix OBS recording laggy video with 7 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Well, OBS monitor capture lag is typically caused by insufficient system resource, high bitrate settings, conflict with security software, unstable network connection, incorrect OBS setting. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Solution 1. Check your hardware. The first thing to check is your computer hardware. OBS video playback may be hampered by a broken Ethernet connection, port, or router. Repair or replace them if they are loose or damaged. Solution 2. Restart OBS. One of the simplest solutions to software glitches is a restart. If you're experiencing OBS local recording lag, try restarting OBS to see if it helps. Steps to follow. Hit the X button in the corner to close the app. To ensure it is completely closed, open your operating system's task manager, and look for OBS among the processes. If you find OBS, select it, and press delete. Launch OBS again by clicking its desktop icon or from your start menu. Solution 3. Lower the video's bitrate. Streamers tend to employ higher bitrates to improve video quality, which might result in missing frames. Lowering the bitrate solves the problem of missing frames, allowing OBS to avoid video lag. To do so, follow these steps. Go to File, then Settings, and choose Output. Find Streaming. Click on Video Bitrate and either scroll or select desired bitrate. Solution 4. Stop other bandwidth-intensive activities. Bandwidth hogging applications will slow down your network speed and trigger latency issues. Make sure you shut down all the other resource-hungry programs before streaming with OBS. Here's what you need to do. Press the Windows logo key and R at the same time to invoke the Run dialog box. Type in Resman and hit Enter. In the Resource Monitor window, on the Network tab, take note of the total, B per second, column. In this way, you'll get an intuitive understanding of what process is now using the most of your bandwidth. Right-click on the application that's eating up your bandwidth, and select End Process. When Windows asks you to confirm, click End Process. Solution 5. Check the security and firewall of your device. Check to see if any security software is interfering with the proper playback of your movies if the OBS lagging and streaming issues persists. Go to the Windows icon, at the bottom left of the desktop, and click Settings, the gear icon. Hover to update in Security and Settings, and go to Windows Security. Then, go to Firewall and Network Protection, and choose a network setting. Find Microsoft Defender Firewall and turn off the firewall. Solution 6. Change OBS settings. Follow the instructions, open up the Settings window in OBS. Then go to the Output tab. Set Output Mode to Simple. Set Encoder under Streaming to Software, X264. Switch recording quality to indistinguishable quality. Change recording format to FLV. Solution 7. Update video driver. To do so, follow these steps, go to Start on Window, and search for Device Manager. Click and a new window will appear. Navigate to the display adapters and click it. Click the Intel, R, HD graphics, and from the options, click Update Drivers. Wait for the process to be complete. Repeat the same process if your computer has discrete graphics card. Video Repair Tool. To fix any video-related issue, try the Proficient Video Repair Tool. It has the ability to fix corrupted, jerky, pixelated, grainy, out of sync, truncated, blurry, no sound, black/gray screen, and many more video problems. Apart from that, it can also repair corruption in video frames, header, and slider movement. Here is how you can use this tool. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. You can click on Preview, in order to preview the repaired video file within the software. And click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. That's all. Hope you liked this video.